I go to bed. I go to bed.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner. I clean the room. I clean the room.
I write an email. I write an email.
I leave for work. I leave for work.
I buy some fruit. I buy some fruit. I clean the room. I clean the room.
I leave for work.
I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes.
I read a book. I read a book.
I open the window. I open the window.
I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus.
I water the plants. I water the plants.
I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
I go for a run. I go for a run.
I take off my shoes. Take off my shoes.
I watch TV. I watch TV.
I eat a healthy breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast.
I am cooking breakfast. I am cooking breakfast.
I am walking to the office. I am walking to the office.
I start work at 9. I start work at 9.
I am teaching a reading lesson. I am teaching a reading lesson.
The students practice every day. The students.practice.every day.
I am drinking water. I am drinking water.
I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror.
I start work at 9 in the morning.
I go running every morning.
The bus comes at 8 o'clock.
We are talking to each other.
We
Are talking
to
each other.
She answers the phone calls.
He buys coffee every afternoon. He buys .coffee, Eve, E-R-Y, afternoon.